my gosh, I can't believe I'm gonna do my first driver's test today! Don't get too excited. You might fail today. Now, Joshua, Haley, and Michaela are going to come watch inside the car as well. Uh-oh, this better be good. Okay, Dad, so what do I do now? Start the engine. Okay, then, if you say so. Brum, 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 brum.
Uh-oh! Watch out for that dog!
Don't worry, all good. Kabunk. Uh-oh, did I just hit that dog? Sweet. Okay, this time, look at what you're doing on the road and go a bit fast. Okay, a little faster. You say so. Woohoo, this is alive! Slow down, traffic up ahead. Stop! Kadunk. Went so fast.
I think I pooped my pants.
Uh-oh.
Pooh, that stinks, and it's in your new car, sis. Ew.
No worries. What's that noise? Pull over to the side of the road. Uh-oh. Hello, officer. What seems to be the problem? Here's your ticket, $5,000.
Oh, man. Oh, well, back to the house now.
Here we go again. Okay, then. Back to the house.
3, 2, 1, self-destruct.
Awkward silence.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers! Yes, I finally got my driver's license and my photo done. Woohoo!